just joined? Hey, hello? Hey, come back. One day.
You trying to leave, boy?
No, I'm just seeing how many people are online. One day my dad told me, you, I'm a lover you. I don't know. Don't. Wait, guys, come. I know something cool. If you guys go right here, and then you go and you put your arms up, something cool might happen. So put your arms up right here. Go on the slide.
I know it. I know what's gonna happen.
I know. I know it too. Do it to me. Do it to me. Do it to me. Bro, who joined?
I said my phone. Oh, yo, nice. You too. How do you get it? Y'all suck. How do you get the finger painter on this one? Y'all suck.
It's in shop. It's in the shop.
You suck, haha. You suck, haha. Come here. You suck, cowboy hat. You suck, hat. Come on the slide, man.
Opa, lopa, lopa, dee-doo. I'm gonna try to take over you.
Get on the slide.
Okay, bet. Wee! Oh. Wait, let me try.
Like, I know those.
Wee! Pony! My pony's literally going everywhere. I'm back. Guys, I'm right here. Wait. Hey, guys, come.
Bro, stop.
Wait, Green, come. Green. Bro, this only.
What the freak happened? What was that?
One day my dad told me.
I just did the slide glitch. I did
You literally have finger painter. What do you mean, how you get it?
Wait, what? I have finger painter?
Yes.
I did the slide glitch. Bro, stop hitting me. I'm gonna spawn Lucy.
Oh, I just did it. 1,
2, 3, 4. Then she's gonna come. She's gonna come. You suck, kid. I'm gonna do the slide glitch.
Wait, no, wait, how? Wait, what? Yes?
You know how to do the slide glitch? Freaking suck.
Where? Oh,
Do you know how to do the slide glitch?
I think. Where'd you go?
Alright, look at the slide glitch. No, you don't do it that way, man. You do it like this way.
Okay.
I won. L plus ratio, guys.
How do you do it?
Woo! I did it. I did it. Whee! Bang! You're bad. Take the L, kid.
I think I just knocked him. Ah! Hey.
Raise your hand if you have finger painter.